Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So I made this tweet last night. XRP, people didn't believe me either last year, but the target was met like a boss. Okay, at that point I told you all it will roll, and again people didn't believe me. You know, the amount of trolls that I got on them videos and content, basically. Last year, coiling up in a horizontal, support, resistance. I said to you at this point, you're going to come up, break this resistance, close above. You're looking at a beautiful long opportunity up to the 1618 at $1.92. Okay, look at that, last March. This is when I pretty much started the YouTube channel. Okay, and right there, look what happened. We came up, we closed above resistance, and you put that impulsive break, and we ran into the 1618 target. At that point, I was telling people, look, think about your position in XRP, take some profit off the table because you will retrace, and you did that. And I remember at that point there, everyone thought we were going to go to the moon and take off. You know, I've even got my forecast in the channel of $27, but I was still telling you people here, be careful because you will come down for a retracement. It's what it does. It meets the 1618, retraces and come back and gets its mates, basically. Okay, and that's exactly what we've done. But in doing so, we've not lost any structure, okay, to signify a bear market, because we ran into the 1618 and we've simply retracing to a normal level of support, coming down, holding the lows, which was a swing high, swing low, like I've shown you so many times. You've lost zero structure here to say that you're in a bear market for XRP. Corrective phase of a bull market, yes. Long drawn out bull market, yes. Okay, because I do theorize that we are going through a lengthening cycle in crypto, and coupled with the fact that, you know, with XRP, everything that's got on hanging over its head basically is contributing to this sort of long drawn out consolidation phase that it's going through before breaking out. So for me, technically, you know, you consolidate in between EMAs for XRP before hopefully getting back above and breaking out to the upside. So this 1618 target was met like a boss, and now you've come back in a retracement, holding the key level support for the continuation of the trend that you're in, you know. And just at this event here, I was getting all the trolls again and people saying what I'm talking about, you know. And right now I'm getting exactly the same. You know, look at this monthly chart for XRP. You know, monthly chart, look at us holding the 20 EMA. Beautiful, beautiful. Ascending level support, descending level resistance, coiling up into some apex. You hold support, you break out, you're looking beautiful. You're looking to test a 1618, and that will be your 1618 target, $4.50 minimal. But at this point, this scenario is different to this break because you would be breaking the all-time high. Now, I've gone through this with you before for XRP. You will be taking out the all-time high, okay, and with that, I would imagine you're looking at some kind of FOMO, some kind of parabola, the mania, the blow-off top sort of scenario, which could come later in the year. Now, do check out the Bitcoin lengthening video that I made yesterday, given the trend-based fib time scenario. Okay, so again, all thought experiment, but so far, like I've said to you, patience is key with XRP. Okay, so let's take a look at the fear and greed index, currently sitting at 29. Down here, we was there in the summer as well, and everyone calling for a bear market, and I says to people, look, it's corrective phase of bull market, hold support, don't go short, you're going to come back up and put in a new high. And he did exactly that for crypto and many other projects as well. So right now I'm seeing exactly the same, okay, exactly the same scenario, coming down in a range, accumulating, holding support, people screaming for a bear market, but you're just crabbing, you're going sideways, but you're doing it in a range basically, and you're looking to break out to the upside. And we're already seeing a lot of projects already breaking out and attacking them highs like they did in this accumulation phase as well. You know, there are opportunities in other coins as well, and I do try to cover them for you as best as I can, so do pay attention to the channel, okay, and the content that I produce. So right now, another indicator is this indicator, okay, the CBBI indicator. For me, it's not overheated. I'm looking for an overheated CBBI indicator before I think about taking any profit off the table, okay, because at that point, you know, you're not going to go beyond that, because you can see historically this data point here is absolutely amazing, okay, and you can see that you come up, you come down, you come up, you come down, and when you retrace here in this bull run, when it goes yellow, always offers the optimal entry points. Do you see this? Look at this, you come up, you went yellow, optimal entry point for the continuation of the trend, and right now you're a little bit overheated there on that top, nowhere near overheated on this local top, which was the all-time high, nowhere near overheated. Come back, you're in a beautiful level here for crypto and Bitcoin. So for me, the bull market is looking for continuation. It is until it isn't. Okay, so I'm looking for this particular indicator to get really, really overbought, really dark red before I think about taking any profit off the table. Does it mean it will get there? Of course it doesn't, but it's one indicator I'm looking at, coupled with the lengthening theory, coupled with the fact that XRP is in a sort of coiled up fashion right now on the monthly time frame and the weekly, holding key level support. It's looking good. You know, there's nothing bearish about XRP for me at the moment until you lose a key level support. So let's take a look at the charts, okay? So looking at XRP on the weekly, we've got a beautiful close above this red line, like I said to you, above the 55 EMA. So right now, you know, you've come down this downtrend, you started to pick up, you ran into resistance, and you're consolidating between these EMAs here. You've got the 20 coming down, the 55 supporting you, so there'll be some kind of break here, you know, hopefully break up to the upside, hold the 20 and attack this resistance here. Now if you start to close above that key level resistance, boom, you're going to rocket off into space there. Again, nothing to say is financial advice. Everything is for educational and entertainment purposes only, but XRP is coiling up here in a huge horizontal on the weekly and monthly time frame right here. Okay, so let's take a look at the 4-hourly time frame and see what's going on. So you can see we've broken out of this key level resistance and we put in a beautiful little impulsive break, ran into the 55, rolled over, and we're now retesting this previous level of resistance as support. Getting a lovely little wick here at the moment, and we wicked off a key level support, so this is good. Look, we did it exactly here when we broke out this key level of resistance as well. We broke out, came back to support, and then got a beautiful break to the upside. So, you know, this is what happens. You break resistance, back test, and turn support. So we've got that right now, okay? So if we take a look on the hourly time frame, let's take a look. So you're getting a lovely little whopping candle here. So this for me is a key level resistance right now, where you potentially start to see some kind of reversal pattern for XRP. You can see you're wicking into it. Now there was a bit of a breakout pattern here. You came up, ran into key level resistance, which is a 4-hour 55 EMA, and with that you got a key level support just there, okay? And you can see, look, you've got a double M top pattern. So this was a tradable event. I think this was after I made the video yesterday. I think I was making a video, we were around about here, wasn't we? And I said to you, look, again, a nice little impulsive break, come back for support, and you're doing exactly that, okay? Exactly that. So right now there's a double M top pattern and equally a descending triangle. So this is a tradable event here. Look, double M top pattern, a depleting buying pressure. Basically this is a bearish pattern, a reversal pattern. It has a breakdown target, and the breakdown target is from there to there. And what you do, you drop it onto the level of support that's lost, and you can see, boom, you came down and met the target and some. So it's not a massive trade. Like I said to you, it's just chop inside 1.42%. At that point, take profit. You know, don't be greedy. And beautiful little trades in and out, basically. So what we're looking for right now is some kind of reversal pattern. So we've got that toppy pattern, come back down, retrace with nominal level support, putting this low, which is still a higher low than this. Look, see, coming up high, low, breakout, making a higher high. Do you see that? So you're effectively breaking out, but you're running into key resistance, falling back to key support. So right now we're looking for another breakout pattern. So if we can start to create some kind of beautiful ascending triangle here, running into this resistance, at this point you could start to have a little bit of a breakout target for XRP if you start to close above this key level resistance. So right now, coming down like this, do something like that, create a double M top, a double bottom pattern, sorry. You know, point of contact, potentially if you get resistance there and start to roll, point of contact, come back up, break that resistance, you'll win a technical target to that, which is retracement to this high, okay? And with that, you can see you've essentially broken out, fell back to support, and you started to move upstairs here for XRP. And like I said to you, this opportunity down here was a fantastic opportunity to go long on XRP. Again, nothing I say is financial advice, but the weekly close above the 55 EMA is really good for XRP, and we got exactly that. So, you know, I'll teach you as best as I can to trade the ranges, but if you do start to see XRP come up and break this key level resistance just there, start to close above 84.74 on the hourly time frame, you'll have a lovely little long op all the way up to there, or around about 1.62% for XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.